Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Saja Boys Surprise Fold in kind of like a fun chibi style. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Saja Boys Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold down the middle, so it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold right down the middle. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to make it look like there is a soda can. So I'm just going to start right here by making an oval. So I'm going to make this kind of like curved shape like this on top. And then right underneath it, we're going to make this other little curved shape just like this. Next, we're going to make another one in here. So let's do that little curve. And then we're just going to do this curve just like this. Now for the pop tab, let's just make an oval shape. And let's go ahead and put two little circles inside of here. Next, starting here, let's come out at an angle and then we're going to go straight down. We'll do that same thing here, kind of come out at a small angle and then come straight down. Next, we're going to come down to here, and then we'll do the same thing. Let's just come down to here. At the bottom, let's just curve this to connect it. And then let's put another little curve right across the bottom as well. Now, right here, let's go ahead and make the little cartoon lion. So I'm going to begin by making a sad face for the top of the head. Then we're going to make a big circular shape like this. We're going to make a line here and a line here. Then a small dot for the nose. Let's make a little curve here and a little curve here for the mouth. Now starting here for the mane, let's draw a line that's going to come down and up. We're going to curve it here, and then we're going to put a couple little points. Then we're going to curve it up to here and make another little point. Let's bring this line up and put two little points here. Let's make half a circle here, and then half a circle right here for the ears. Right here, let's draw a little curve and then a line down. And then same thing over here, make a little curve that goes out, in, and then down for the arms. Then a little line here and here for the body. Now, up here, we're going to write the word Saja Boys. So let's just begin by making an S shape right here. We'll make a letter A right next to it. We'll do a J. And then we'll do another A right here. Then for boys, we're just going to put a letter B right here. We're going to make an O. We'll do the Y right next to it. And then we're going to do the S. Next, I'm going to draw this curved line down. And then I'm going to make this curved line over here. Then we're going to put some bubbles on here. We'll do a little circle here and a circle here. We'll do one here and then one here. And then half a one over here. Then we're going to make a circle here and a little circle here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our soda pop can. So right up here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come up and then a line that's going to come up. And we'll draw a line down and a line down. Now I want to make it look like the soda is kind of splashing out of here. So I'm going to make some wiggly lines. They're just going to go right across here. And then we're going to do the same thing right here. And you can make those wiggly lines look however you want to. Now let's go ahead and draw the Saja Boys in here. So let's start with Junie in the middle. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to make a line that comes down and a line that comes down at an angle. Then we're going to make a little like half circle here and then a half circle here. I'm going to make a small circle right here in each eye, and then a larger circle that I'm just going to color around. I'm going to make a little bump for the nose, and then a little smile. Then I'm just going to kind of like darken up above here just for the eyebrows. Now right here, I'm just going to make a curve for the face. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve up for some hair. And then we're going to come down. I'm going to go up and kind of come down here with a couple little points. And we're going to bring this line here. We'll draw a line across here. I'm going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to go out and in and down. And then same thing here. We're going to go up and out. Then we're going to come in and then down here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve here and a line that's going to curve here. And we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And a little line across. We'll make a little point on each side for the shirt collar. Then we're going to make a line that comes down and a line that comes down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then back in. Another line is just going to go out and come back in. We'll make 2 lines here for the shirt and then 2 lines here. Then a line across for the pants. I want to make a little curve up here for an eyebrow and then a little line right here. Then we'll make a little bump on each side for the earrings. Now over here, let's draw the baby Saja Boy. So let's begin by kind of making like a curved line here and a curved line here. We're going to make 2 little bumps here. We'll make a circle here and a circle here. And then a larger circle for the actual pupils. And we'll just kind of color those in. We'll make a little bump for the nose. And we'll make a little line for the smile. I'm going to make a couple different size pointed lines here. And then a couple over here. I want to make this line come out. And then I'm going to curve it around. And then bring it over here with some points. Make this line curve around for the face. We're going to make a little bump on each side for the ears. We'll make a curved line for part of the hat. And then we'll make a little bumpy line around here. Make a line here and a line here for the eyebrows. We're going to go down and up for the neck. And make a couple little bumps right here for part of the shirt. Make a line that comes down here and a line that comes down here. We'll kind of jump over. We'll draw a line across and another line across. Make a line that's going to come down and up, and then one here. Make 2 lines here and then 2 lines here. Now over here, let's draw romance. So I'm going to begin by making a line here and a line here. We're going to make a little half circle underneath each one. Do a circle here and a circle here, and then we'll just kind of curl this around. And I'm going to color in these pupils. We'll make a little bump for the nose. And I'm going to make a little line across and a little open mouth. I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and it's going to come down. And the same thing here, we're going to go up and we're going to come down. We'll make a couple points and we're going to curve out. A couple points and we're going to curve this out in. We're going to make a bump on each side for the ears. Now I'm going to curve this up and down and then up and back down. We're going to make a curve here for the chin. And then a couple little lines here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down and up. And then a line that's just going to come down here and down here. We're going to make a couple little points on each side. And then we're going to bring this down and a line across here. Make a line down here and a line down here, a couple little curves. And then we're going to make some points here for his hair that's sticking out. Now, over here, let's draw a mystery. So I'm going to begin by making a line that comes down with some points. And then same thing here, line down with some points. Now I'm going to come down and up. A little bump for the nose, and a little line across for the mouth. We're going to bring this up and down, and then up and down here. We're going to make this line come down. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come out in. We're going to do a line here, and then 2 lines here. We'll do a couple little points here for the hair. Then over here, we're going to do Abby. So I'm going to begin by making a line here and a line here for the eyes. Then we're just going to make a little half circle shape underneath each one. We're going to make a small circle shape, and then we're going to make another one around it that we'll color in. A little dot for the nose and a little mouth. I want to make a point here and a point here for part of the hair. And then we're just going to connect it. Make a line that comes down and then a couple points here that I'm going to curve around. Make a bump here and then a bump right around here for the hat. We'll make some lines for the eyebrows. Then we're going to come down and up with a couple bumps for the ears. I'm going to bring this line in and this line in. Make a little point and then some points here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out in. A little line here and a line across. Next, up here, I'm going to make another kind of wavy line so it looks like there's more of the soda pop splashing out. And then I'm just gonna put some little circles for like little bubbles and stuff all around here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Saja Boys Surprise Fold. When we have it all folded up, we've got the soda pop can, and then when we open it, we've got the Saja Boys popping out of here. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.